Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video tutorial I want to show you how you can extract a still image from a video on the LUMIX L10. So let's take a quick video first and then I'll show you how you can extract that particular still. So it's pretty straightforward. We have a beautiful titanium gold L10 here. Let's just say we want to take a video of this camera. We're going to start that. We're going to zoom in a little bit as we record. There we go. And then we're going to stop the recording. So we have our video now. All we need to do is go into the playback mode. That's where we have our video. Then hit play. The first thing we need to do is pause. Okay? And we pause by pressing the up button. And let's say we wanted to actually capture one of the photos after I was already a little bit more zoomed in. So what we can do is by using the arrows, we can actually go frame by frame. You can see I actually kept it pressed, so we went pretty much in real time. But if I press it one at a time, you can see how I can go back and forth between the different frames. And let's say I actually like the composition where it goes a little bit more to the left. That's the one there. All I need to do now is press the set button. And it's going to ask me if I want to save the image. We're going to select yes. And now we have a still from that video. If I stop the video, I can do that by pressing the down button. I go to the right. Here's my image. Nice and crisp. That's how easy it is. Hopefully this helps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.